Okay guys, left the combine in the field overnight, had to get the containers home. The beans are yielding very well. Blistering 45 degrees this morning, so it took a fair dose of ether to get the old girl to start, but she started. I would have filmed it, but it takes two hands, one on the key and one on the override switch. But the old 354 and the 750, she started good. So what we've got going on in this field, there's a little bit of foxtail in this bottom, not too bad at all. But I have rode behind the combine, and we will come along with the pickup head and chop this bean residue, and then mix it with the sorghum silage. That's something that my brother likes to do. He thinks it not only stretches the silage, but the cows seem to like. There's something in soybean residue that cows really like. So that's the destination on this field. Now that the combine's warmed up, it's time to roll. Okay guys, here's a late season look at the three terraces, the hill field that was drifted by dicamba. They are yielding something. We'll wait for the end of the day and see what the scale has to say. But as you can see, the weed pressure in this field was non-existent. Happy to say they are yielding something. As we get down the hill there a little bit, they're quite a bit poorer. But they are decent looking beans. Now because of the drift on this field, I'm going to have to do a purge. I wanted to combine all of the Navita beans first. When I get done with this field and go back to an organic field, then I will have to do a purge. But we're going to set up and prep to do that today. Anyway, it is what it is. I sure like the way the Navita beans stand. So guys, this is a late season look. I just stopped turning around there. So there is a fair pod set. There never was much height in those beans. If I can give you a frame of reference there. The tallest bean is just a hair over my knee. But anyway, we will keep combining here and we'll see what the yield does. When I stopped there guys, I was checking the adjustments on the combine. The beans are not threshing real good. It is a cloudy day. Moisture's running right at 13%. But they're not threshing real good. I'm running the cylinder quite a bit harder than I like to run it with seed beans. But it doesn't appear to be mechanically damaging them. There's just a fair amount of pods of unthreshed beans. But they are yielding something. There's a shot of the poddy beans. Not sure why they're doing that. The moisture's about right. The stems are just as dry as can be, but they're not threshing very well. As long as we're not mechanically damaging them, that doesn't bother me too much. But by way of reference, yesterday down on the low bottom ground, I was running the cylinder at 550, same bean, same planting type, and I was doing a better threshing job. So I don't know if that's an effect of the dicamba or the year or the ground. bottom in an organic field, and now I have to purge my combine. So I am filming the purge here. In order to switch back to organic, you have to clean the combine, and the way farmers do that is by purging the combine. In other words, treating some of your organic beans as conventional beans. And there is the purge going into the wagon.